How to post a trade advertisement on Binance P2P. When you need to buy or sell cryptocurrencies at your preferred prices and payment methods to other users, you can use Binance advertisement posting feature. It's fast, straightforward, and allows sellers and buyers to see your ad and trade with you instantly. Here are the 3 steps to post a trade advertisement on Binance app. Before starting posting an ad, make sure you have already passed your identity verification. Open the Binance app, click on Buy with Cash, and select P2P. Click on the plus button on the top right corner of the P2P trading page. You can now start to post your new trade ad. Step 1. Set type and price. Choose your ad type, buy or sell. Let's take sell as an example. First, select the crypto asset and the fiat currency. Then, set your price type. You can choose either floating pricing or fixed pricing. Finish by clicking on Next. Step 2. Set trading amount and payment method. Enter the total trading amount, order limit, and add a maximum of 3 payment methods. Then set the payment time limit. So if you set 15 minutes, the buyer will have to complete their payment within 15 minutes. Otherwise, the order will be canceled. Click on Next to finish. Step 3. Set remarks and automatic response. You can add the remarks and automatic response to the counterparties. Set the counterparty condition and the ad status, then click on Post. After completing the 2-factor authentication, your ad will be posted on Binance app. Once the ad is published, you can click on Ad Management to edit online, offline, or close your ad. Please note that you won't be able to change your ad once you close it. Now, try to post your trade advertisement and start making a profit on Binance P2P platform.